Hello guys and welcome to Envision, and today we have amazing content for you, and thank you guys for subscribing, and thank you for viewing our content, and thank you for those guys who have been supporting us in purchasing the design plan, hives and the tools. As you can see here, when bees come to your hive, we've shown you the conditions of your hive before on our previous videos, that if you want bees you must do something. So go back and check how we clean the hive, how we bathe the hive, and how we do everything to make sure that bees come to your hive. As you can see, I'm too close and bees are not hostile. The reason is being that they don't have food, they don't have kids to fight for. Their work is to occupy the hive. From there now they will decide what to do. Remember, when you have bees, you must have a beautiful surrounding with the flowers. That is the forage for bees, so that when you keep them, they have a place to collect their food from. This is our second apiary. You have seen it before, and this is where we will bring in the bees that have just colonized the hive after 3 days. Around the apiary is so beautiful that we have planted a lot of flowers. There's water for bees, and this water acts as a barrier for crawling ants and insects that can attack your bees. So we have to keep our bees safe from those crawling insects. Remember to clean around the apiary. If you keep the push around, it will attract a lot of insects and crawling ants to the apiary. Around here we have planted some purples. That's one of the fruits we have planted here, and you can see the purple is so healthy, and it's young, simply because the pollination has been taking place successful. The space is not wasted. You can get a fruit to eat. Signages are very important in beekeeping, whereby you can warn people not to trespass the place. This is the rosemary, which is one of the favorite plants that is good for pollination. It pulls double duty, feeding both bees and people. Arrowroots here are enjoying the overflow of the water trench, and we use it as a home remedy for digestive disorders. This is our lemongrass, and we all know that the lemongrass attracts bees. Around this area, we have also planted avocado tree. This is the young one, and when it grows up, the flowers depends on the bees and the other insects for pollination. So mostly our bees, they don't lack the flowers to get their food from. As you can see, bees are busy working day and night, making sure that they meet their target. In this water trench, we also put fish inside so that we can get some fish. Also, bees can collect water from, and as I said earlier, it acts as a water barrier for crawling insects. Coffee is good for honeybees because it provides and it produces sugar, and it has high quality nectar. We also have bananas. We have maize, whereby we depend on bees so that we can get and increase the production of our maize. We have passion fruit, and this is the passion fruit that bees like their nectar. Remember to plant passion fruits around your apiary so that your bees can enjoy variety of flowers. Bottle brush tree is the major pollen and the nectar producing plant that bees like. This is Lycosephora tree, which is a bloom almost throughout the year, and it provides constant forage to honeybees. We have also provided bees with the pumpkin, and this is the pumpkin leaves, whereby most of the bees like to stay there for pollination. The poinsettia plant is also good for bees. This is the blackjack. As you can see, the blackjack, bees like it so much in the morning hours, and it collects nectar for. This is the coleus plant. Coleus flowers are like beacons for bees and the butterflies. This was just a flow hive that I placed outside the house. Waking up in the morning, I found some bees just gathering around it, and it finally colonized right there at the main door. From the way our bees are behaving and acting positively, it has encouraged us to put more hives and construct more apiaries so that we can get more honey. From all types of flowers we have shown you, now our bees are busy collecting what they can get and store as their food. Remember guys to subscribe to our channel. If you are new here, just comment down there. If you need a house plan, it is available. Just contact us. We will send you the house plan as a PDF to your email. And also if you need the hives, we have a variety of hives. Just make an order, we will deliver them to you. When bees collect pollen, they also face challenges by the attack of chameleons and the other predators. When they store their honey, they will be attacked by insects like ants, termites, and that's why we prefer the construction of the water trench that we have explained before to reduce these attacks. If you practice this kind of beekeeping, expect no returns. Your bees will be attacked by the crawling ants, insects, and the cold conditions while the hive is lying down there. That's why we have come with a revolutionized modern apiary that can keep your bees safe from crawling ants and get good returns in less than 3 months. So guys, we hope you have enjoyed our content, and we hope to bring you more on beekeeping in our next episode. Keep on subscribing, share our content, and we see you next. Thank you guys. If you need honey, just contact the number below. Thank you. See you next.